This was about to be a whole voiceover video. I wasn't gonna even talk. I just took this out the package. I have to say two things. One, this looks beautiful, y'all. This wig looks beautiful. This is supposed to represent some, like, kind of, I don't know, faux sister locks, but, you know, not as amazing as natural sister locks, but, you know, for a wig, yes. Two, I don't know what type of fibers this vendor used.
But this wig done came up the rough side of the mountain.
Let the church say subscribe.
This wig is gonna have to touch the hem of his garment. Now I'm gonna put it on and I'm gonna see what I can do. I'm gonna put a little bit of the silicone spray on there. Now when the good sis Gladys put us on this silicone spray, I don't know if she envisioned it being able to do anything for this particular wig right here, but maybe it'll soften his heart a little bit if we spray a little bit of that silicone spray on here, because see, I can wear it and get a real cute picture probably, because this is beautiful. Okay, if y'all wanted to go back to the drawing board and do two things for me. Come up with better fibers for this, okay? And take off this double lace. Look at that. Y'all see that? That's double lace right there, y'all. Let me just say this. I've said it, but let me just say it one more time. We as a community do not appreciate the double lace. I know when y'all start doing this, it was supposed to be a flex. I do know that. We can stop doing that. I know y'all was giving it a test run, okay? I know that. Y'all was testing it out, because how you gonna know? You don't know that. Y'all might have hit something out the park with it. You don't know. So I'm not even mad at you for testing it out. But I think the test is over and y'all have the results, and you can rest well with the results of it. And I believe the final consensus, now I can ask y'all, let me know in the comments, okay? We're gonna take a poll, but I believe the final consensus. Now if you haven't tried double lace, don't be joining the poll talking about yes or no.
You don't know that.
I'm just saying it's not preferred. We okay with just the one lace, okay? It just do the one lace and go into the house. Y'all don't even have to stay late trying to get it double, because we only wanted single. We didn't even ask for. Now, if y'all putting other stuff in the order that we didn't ask for, I can't lay on my baby chest with this. I'm gonna take the wig off and then lay on this chest, because I'm not finna scratch that man up like that. He didn't do nothing to deserve that. I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, let's get rid of this double lace. Let's just get rid of it, okay? We don't want it. We don't want it, but I'm gonna put it on and just see how the style works out, because it's a beautiful wig. Okay. Now I may cut that other piece of the lace out. You know that's what people do, that they cut that piece of lace. I'm just telling you, so you ain't even got to put it over there. Let me see. Hold a minute.